what's your advice on navigating tech overload? You used the phrase going from tech blindness to dizzy, feeling dizzy from all of the tech around. What do you tell people when they're just wondering, how do I navigate this?
So just adding tech to a business is not a solution. It requires a lot of thought, it requires a lot of diligence and accuracy, especially from a data perspective. So when our customers want us to track their containers, 80% tracking is not good enough. It has to be 99.9 or better. I think of the Six Sigma methodology of a lot of things like flying airplanes or creating pharmaceutical drugs. I think visibility data falls in that same category where the data needs to be 99.99+%. Otherwise, it's just going to be another tool that you have in your tech spend. And for people to actually rely upon the data and go from being, let's call it blind because they don't have the data, to actually being able to see and not just some sort of somewhat worse middle ground of just being dizzy where you have about 80%, 85% accuracy, completeness, latency, etc. You really have to have a concerted effort and pick the right partner to do that. And that's where we want to take our customers, is not just have visibility data, not just have an ETA, but be able to use that data and then answer business-related questions beyond when is that container arriving. Maybe how many people do I need to staff at the warehouse, or which drayage carrier should I allocate this container to? So those kind of more business-oriented related questions need answers than just what's the ETA.